Good morning, students. So I think last session you have finished your exams, all your exams. Now, so I am going to explain here grammar of Unit 1. Unit 1 here is grammar. That is here Unit 1 grammar. So I call. So the children, that is here is active and passive voice. Active and passive voice, children. So here this example, Ram writes a letter. So this is active voice AV. You know, children, this sentence should be divided into three main parts, which are S for subject, V for verb, and verb for object. That is, AV means S plus V plus O. Active voice means S for subject, V for verb, and verb for object. So now it changed into passive voice. So here is rules. Here is so first rule is here, object becomes subject. That is, object means active voice of object becomes subject in PV means passive voice. Second rule is here, helping verb. Helping verb followed by tense. Followed by tense. That is helping verb or be form. Next one is, third rule is here, V3, past participle of the verb. Next, fourth rule is here, preposition should be followed. Next, fifth rule is here, so here subject becomes object. Subject becomes object. So here is 5 rules should be maintained, children. Rule 1, object becomes subject. Object of active voice becomes subject in passive voice. So rule 2, helping verb followed by tense. If the sentence is a present tense, we should write present tense helping verbs. If the tense is here past tense, we should write past tense helping verbs. So here helping verb or be form should be written the particular tense of the passive active voice verb. Okay, so that's why here voice is the form of the verb. Here voice, here form of the verb. So that's here. Next, third rule is here, V3, past participle. For example, price is given, this is V1. We should write here V2, V3. Write, wrote, written. Write, wrote, written, V3. Next, fourth rule is here, by, preposition by. Fourth rule is here, fifth rule is here, subject becomes object. Subject becomes object. So when children, when transform active voice from active voice to passive voice, so everyone should follow these rules, 5 rules. The first one is here, object becomes subject. Second rule is helping verb followed by V form. That is verb. Third one is here V3, past participle. Fourth rule is here, preposition by. And fifth rule is here, subject becomes object. So these 5 rules should be maintained when it that is from active to passive voice. Okay, children, this is active voice. You know, 3 elements: subject, verb, and object. Now change. Here is passive voice. So first object. Here object a letter. Become subject, a letter. No change. Okay, next children, second rule. Helping verb. Helping verb means am, is, are, was, were. Have, has, had. Will, shall, can, may. These are all helping verbs. So here what helping verb we should write? It depend upon verb, main verb of the sentence. For example, this is the rights. Third person singular, wrong. So B1. This is a present tense. This is a present tense. So we should write children am, is, are. So here a letter is singular. So we should write singular helping verb. So is here helping verb. We should write as per the tense of the verb. So a letter is. Next children B3. So B3 means see, this is B1. We should write, wrote, written. Write, wrote, written. Right here is V1 and wrote V2 and written V3. So here children a letter is written. This is V3. By fourth rule is here by. By fifth rule Ram became here is Ram. First rule, second, third, V3, fourth rule is here by, fifth rule is subject became object. Okay children, in this way, so we are that is doing from active into passive voice. Okay children, once everyone should note down these 5 rules. Everyone should note down these 5 rules. Object becomes subject, helping verb followed tense, V3. Fourth rule is preposition by and fifth rule is subject becomes object. Okay children, so I think I am going to explain some more examples with different tense. Next example children, for example, I called it my chicken drumstick. My chicken drumstick. This is textual example children. Here is first you have to divide any sentence subject, verb and object. Here subject is I, called verb, it object. So this is my chicken drumstick is a remaining part of the sentence which is called particle. Which is called here is a particle at the end of the sentence. So okay children, as per rule here object becomes subject. What is object children here? It. So it became subject. So it. No change children. No change. So here is called past simple. Here because how can we say it is past simple? So here verb is ends with ed. Play, played, paid. Paid, pay, paid, paid. Ed. Call, called, called. Play, 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 played, played. So in this way, the word verb especially end with ed, which is called past simple. Past tense, past simple. So the helping verb is here children, was and were. Subject singular, so we should write was. So called, it was. It was. Next children, V3. V3 means here called. It was called. Okay, what it was called? So my chicken drumstick. My chicken drumstick by preposition me. It was called by me, my chicken drumstick also right. It was called my chicken drumstick by me. Here fourth word is by. I became me. I became me. Okay children, second example. So what about the variations? What is the difference between the first example and second example? Here the first example is here children, it is present simple tense. B1. We should write helping verb is. But what about here is called past tense. So we should write here B form is here was. Next another example children. Another example. She has eaten mangoes. She has eaten mangoes, children. Here, subject is she has eaten verb and mangoes object. Here, verb and subject. As per rule, children, here object becomes subject. Object of activities. What is object here, children? Mangoes. So we should write here is mangoes. Next, here is verb. So here second rule is helping verb based or followed by tense only. Here what tense, children? Present perfect tense. So here is has eaten. So here be form been. So mangoes means plural. So mangoes have be form been. Here we should write be form been. So mangoes have been eaten V3. Here is V3 eaten. So mangoes have been eaten by her. She became her. So as you know, children, I subject, me object. We subject, us object. You subject, you object. He subject, him object. She subject, her object. They subject, them object. It subject, it object. No change. This is subject, this is object. I became me, we became us, you became you, he became him, she became her, they became them, it became it. No change. Here is children, she became her. So why you should write here is be form is here be. Be form is here be. Okay, children, here present perfect tense. So what are the what is the be form of present perfect tense, children? Be form been here is there. Be form been. Another example. This is the present perfect tense, children. Next, continuous tense. He is writing or singing, for example. Sheila is singing songs. Okay, children. Subject Sheila is singing verb. Songs object. Songs object. So object becomes subject with songs. No change, not at all. Plural. So children, one thing here. If subject singular, helping verb must be singular. If subject plural, helping verb must be plural. So here is songs. Object becomes subject. Songs plural. So here what tense, children? Is plus VING. This is present continuous tense. This is the present continuous tense. So here is inform. So what helping verb we should write here is here passive voice. We should write the same helping verb is, am, are. But here is main verb is inform. So that we should write being, be form. So songs means plural. So are. Be form is ing. So we should write here is being. B-E-I-N-G. Being ఎందుకు రాసామంటే ఇక్కడ ing ఫామ్ కూడా being రాసాం. మరి ఇక్కడ సబ్జెక్ట్ సింగులర్ కాబట్టి హెల్పింగ్ వెర్బ్ సింగులర్. Sheila is singular, helping verb is singular, but songs plural కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ are plural. Songs are being. So second వచ్చేప్పటికి ఇక్కడ being యాడ్ చేసాం. Previous examples లో be form being రాసాం. Have has common, be form being. But here is, am, are common. But being why? Because the verb is here in form. Main verb is in form, continuous tense. So that we should write are being. So songs are being. Sing, sang, sung, we three sung. Fourth one by Sheila. For example, they will invite me for the party. They will invite me. One invite yourself. Future tense. Subject they will invite. Verb me object. So this is a future simple tense. So here will, shall, can, may future tense. So we should write be form is completely be form be. So me became here I. me, here is there, then I. So I will before no change. Don't write would. Here will. Before be. No singular, no plural. Before is be. I will be. V3 invite. Invited. So I will be invited for the party. By they became them. So I will be invited party by them. So this is a future tense. So in this way, children, first let you know all these rules, 5 rules, and implemented. So and practice in your own way and note down in your own way. After that, we have to do many examples of your workbook, page number 59. Okay, children, thank you.